So you let that sound. Sound is what we need, not the air. Kasi sasabay lang naman yung hangin eh. Alright, let's try everybody. You, oh sir, sama na. Okay, medyo open yung bibig. Now let's try, inhale. Exhale. Sige pa, inhale. Tandaan lang. Exhale. Alright, this sound is actually natural to you. You probably hear yourself talking, singing, getting mad, shouting. Pero the one that you made, yun yung una mo, parang conscious ka. That's your true voice. That's the one inner to you. That's why siguro after this one, you can never unhear yourself. Your voice, diba? Yun yung process ko, makaka-cringe ko. It's like, yeah, so, ito po si Mama. The first voice na nakakarinig nun, usually is your parents, kasi yun yung una mong iyak. So that's really natural to you, kasi wala ka ng boss, hindi ka nagsalita, hindi ka that's voice. This one, this is the first time hearing yourself as well. So ano mangyayari dito every time you do that? Every time you do that, you sync yourself, you get comfortable to who you really are. And you get comfortable kung asan ka. So now, since water is really new to you, hindi kayo familiar, you get comfortable with the water and you get comfortable to you with the water. Parang ganun lang nangyayari. That's why you always trust yourself in making that sound. So yun yung first time. Makakimang ganun. Pero, as you get used to it, you do it really, really slow, then you get to love what you hear. Okay, so we do your relaxation, dandahan, inhale. Exhale. That's it. Okay. Sound. Again, sound ah. Okay. Sandal, para focus tayo sa liyan. Okay, let's try one more time. Sound. Exhale. Good. The more, alam mo yung parang feeling mo may pause sa lungs, yung listen to my instruction na inhale. Exhale. Yun. So parang feeling mo binabatak pa yung baga mo. Ganun. Kailangan ganun. So relax lang tayo. So inhale. Exhale. Alright, isa pa. Yun. Diba ramdam mo na, ngayon nakangiti ka na. Gusto niya na naririnig niya. Okay na siya sa boses niya. Ito okay na rin. Ayan. So isa pa. Inhale. Exhale. Good.